After 40, your legs are not just getting weaker, they are aging you. Every single day you skip squats, your metabolism slows, your testosterone drops, your balance deteriorates, and your body starts borrowing strength from tomorrow to get through today. 3 minutes changes all of that. Right now. Subscribe right now, because after 40, your legs determine everything. Your energy, your hormones, your independence. Miss what I'm about to show you and you are leaving the most powerful tool in your body completely unused. The exercise, the goblet squat. Pick up a single dumbbell or a kettlebell. Start lighter than you think you need. Hold it vertically at chest height with both hands cupping the top end, like you're holding a goblet. Feet shoulder-width apart. Toes pointing out slightly, about 30 degrees. That toe position is not optional. After 40, your hips need that external rotation to squat safely. Now, sit down. Not forward, not leaning, straight down, as if there is a chair directly beneath you and you are sitting into it. Chest stays tall the entire way down, elbows tracking inside the knees as you descend. This keeps the knees from caving inward, which is the #1 cause of knee pain in squatting after 40. Go as deep as your hips allow without your lower back rounding. For most people over 40, that is just below parallel. Hold the bottom for 1 full second. Then drive through your heels, not your toes, to stand back up. Squeeze your glutes hard at the very top. 3 sets, 12 reps, rest 60 seconds between sets. Total time, 3 minutes. Now, that one moment I mentioned, the moment in every rep that either builds your knees or destroys them over time, most people over 40 get this wrong every single rep and wonder why their knees hurt after squatting. I'm going to show you exactly what it is, and once you see it, you will never unsee it. If this is already making more sense than anything else you've tried for your legs, hit that like button right now, because you already know your legs deserve better than what you've been giving them.